Let's be honest, nobody wakes up thinking about spark plugs until your check engine light comes on. Your engine starts shaking at idle, and the dealership hands you a $700 estimate. And here's the shocking part. Most drivers don't realize that the spark plug the dealership installs is often the wrong brand for their engine. And that mistake isn't just costing you fuel economy, it's causing cylinder misfires, catalytic converter damage, and in the worst cases, complete engine failure. Today, I'm exposing why Bosch spark plugs are destroying engines they were never designed for, and why NGK remains the one brand that actually protects yours. I've been turning wrenches for over 12 years, and what I'm about to show you, most drivers never hear. The heat range lie, the electrode mismatch, the $90 parts bill that becomes $687. Let's get into it. Section 1. The price tag nobody talks about. A spark plug itself costs between $8 and $15 for a standard iridium plug. For a V6 engine, that's 6 plugs. The math is simple, $48 to $90 in parts. So what changed? How did a $90 parts bill become a $687 invoice? The dealership books spark plug replacement at an hour and a half to 2 hours of labor, typically around $150 to $200 per hour. That's another $300. Add the shop supplies fee, the diagnostic charge they tack on because your check engine light was on, and suddenly you're looking at a number that has nothing to do with what the parts actually cost. And here's what makes it worse. Dealerships will tell you they need proprietary diagnostic equipment to even look at your engine. So right out of the gate, you're paying $150 just for them to plug in a scanner. The same OBD2 codes your local mechanic reads for free. But because they call it a dealer-level diagnostic, the price magically triples. But here's the important part. The price isn't the real problem. Because even if that $687 job was free, if they're installing the wrong brand of spark plug, they're not fixing your engine. They're damaging it. And the brand I see destroying engines most often? It's not some no-name knockoff. It's Bosch. Section 2. Why Bosch is the wrong plug for most engines on American roads. Let me be clear. Bosch makes excellent products. Their European application spark plugs are factory spec for BMW, Mercedes, Audi, and Volkswagen. Those engines are designed around Bosch's electrode geometry and heat range. But here's where it goes wrong. The RAV4, CR-V, and Camry, 3 of America's top 5 vehicles, all use Japanese engines designed specifically around NGK or Denso. Even the American trucks? Most GM and Ford engines ship with NGK, Denso, or Autolite plugs from the factory. Not a single one of the top 5 uses Bosch as OEM. Not one. When you install a Bosch plug in an engine designed for NGK, the electrode gap is different. The heat range is different. The ground electrode projection into the combustion chamber is different. And every one of those differences matters. The spark plug doesn't just make a spark. It positions that spark at a precise depth inside the cylinder, so the flame front propagates evenly. Get that position wrong by even a millimeter, and you get incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion means unburned fuel hitting your catalytic converter. And a catalytic converter replacement? That's $1,500 to $3,000. This is not a theory. I've personally replaced catalytic converters on 3 customer vehicles in the last 2 years. All 3 had aftermarket Bosch plugs installed in engines designed for NGK. Section 3. The heat range problem. Every spark plug has a heat range number. It tells you how quickly the plug transfers heat away from the firing tip into the cylinder head. Too hot, and the plug tip becomes a glow plug, causing pre-ignition that can melt pistons. Too cold, and the plug fouls with carbon deposits, causing misfires. Here's the part that most drivers never hear. A Bosch heat range 6 is not the same temperature as an NGK heat range 6. The numbering systems run in opposite directions. Bosch heat ranges get hotter as the number goes up. NGK heat ranges get colder as the number goes up. So when a parts store employee looks up your Toyota and the computer says heat range 6, they might hand you a Bosch 6. But that Bosch 6 is actually running 70 to 100 degrees Celsius hotter than the NGK 6 your engine was designed for. That's not small. That's the difference between a healthy combustion chamber and one where the piston crown is slowly eroding. Did you know that more than half of American drivers are using spark plugs that don't match what their engine actually needs? The heat range mismatch is the #1 reason. Pro tip: next time you're at a parts store and the guy behind the counter pulls up his computer, ask him one question. Is that cross-reference heat range exact or just close enough? If he pauses, walk away. Close enough isn't close enough at 2,500 degrees inside your combustion chamber. Section 4. What actually works? NGK has been the OEM supplier for Honda, Toyota, Nissan, Subaru, and Mazda for decades. When your Camry rolled off the assembly line, it had NGK plugs. When your CR-V was built, it had NGK plugs. The engineers who designed that engine spent thousands of hours calibrating fuel maps and ignition timing around NGK's specific spark characteristics. NGK's laser iridium plug uses a patented laser welding process to bond a 0.6mm iridium tip onto the center electrode. That's thinner than a mechanical pencil lead. The laser weld isn't just marketing. It means the electrode tip doesn't erode under high cylinder pressures the way a standard welded tip does. Bosch's equivalent starts with a thicker electrode stock, and in an engine designed for that razor-sharp NGK firing point, the wider spark pattern changes combustion timing. Think of it like this: your engine's computer is a conductor waving a baton. NGK is the violinist who's been in the orchestra for 20 years. She knows exactly when to come in. Bosch, in that same seat, he's a great musician. He's just playing from a slightly different sheet of music. Independent testing has shown up to 2 to 3% better fuel economy with the correct OEM spec. NGK plug versus a cross-referenced aftermarket alternative. Over 100,000 miles, that's roughly $200 to $300 in fuel savings, enough to pay for your next spark plug change twice over. So, have you noticed spark plug recommendations all over the place online? One forum says Bosch, another says NGK, another says Denso. Here's the only rule you need: match the brand that came in your engine from the factory. Section 5. How to do this yourself in 30 minutes. On most 4-cylinder and V6 engines, spark plug replacement is a 30-minute job. You need a spark plug socket, typically 5/8 or 9/16, a ratchet with an extension, and a torque wrench. The torque spec for most modern aluminum cylinder heads is between 15 and 22 foot-pounds. That's less than you think. Over-torquing strips the threads in the head, and a helicoil repair is $400 minimum. But here's the important part, and this is where I see even experienced DIYers get it wrong. Do not use anti-seize on modern iridium or platinum plugs. NGK and Denso both specifically state that their plugs come with a factory-applied trivalent coating that acts as a built-in anti-seize. Adding more anti-seize changes the thread friction coefficient, meaning your torque wrench reading is no longer accurate. You'll over-torque the plug by up to 50%, and you won't even know it. This is printed on the box. Nobody reads it. I learned this the hard way. Early in my career, I anti-seized a set of plugs in a customer's Honda Odyssey. Torque wrench set to 18 foot-pounds. 2 weeks later, the customer came back with a misfire. Plug number 3 had backed out. Threads were stripped. That $400 helicoil repair came out of my pocket. All because I added something the plug didn't need. And here's the irony. I've watched dealership techs tighten spark plugs by feel. No torque wrench? Just, yeah, that feels about right. On an aluminum head where the torque window is plus or minus 2 foot-pounds. So you're paying $180 an hour for a technician who isn't even using the tool that prevents a $400 thread repair. Think about that. A set of 6 NGK laser iridium plugs runs you $50 to $70. A spark plug socket set is $15 at any auto parts store. The total cost? Under $100 and 30 minutes of your time. The dealership quote you avoided, $600 to $700. That's not small. So here's the bottom line. If your car is Japanese, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Subaru, Mazda? Stick with NGK or Denso. These are the factory plugs. Anything else is a gamble. If your car is European, BMW, Mercedes, Audi, Volkswagen, Bosch is your OEM plug. Use Bosch. If your car is American, Ford, Chevy, Ram, Motorcraft, or AC Delco, factory spec. The few dollars you might save buying the wrong brand up front could cost you far more down the road. A catalytic converter, a scored cylinder wall, an engine that burns oil at 80,000 miles. When a spark plug fails at its core function, firing at the right time, at the right position, at the right temperature, it simply isn't protecting your engine. Question for you. Have you ever had a dealership recommend spark plugs at a mileage that seemed way too early? Like 30,000 miles on iridium plugs rated for 100,000? Let me know in the comments what they quoted you. Your experience could help another driver avoid the same trap. Next week, I'm exposing the brake pad brand that's destroying rotors across America, and the $160 alternative that outperforms the dealership's $400 ceramic upgrade. You're not going to want to miss that one. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to protecting your engine.